severe thunderstorm warning for the following county: Ravalli, Montana. The National Weather Service in Missoula has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Ravalli County in west central Montana until 9 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 8:25 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Darby, Oregon, 18 miles south of Hamilton, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Darby and Connor. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A.M. Weather in Missoula: cloudy skies.